no retrigger. Dang. Well, I got it real fast. Fine.
She says mystery. 6.5 better than 3.
Dang it.
Good try. Nice.
Well, not really. No retriggers again.
Still though, $144.
I'll take that. I want like boom, boom, boom drums.
Drum shenanigans.
Yeah, I want some. Alright.
We close the pot. Let's get that freaking major explosion. Woo, that explosion. Buy me a new car. Buy me a Tesla. Oh, not that one. I just got the 5 trigger bonus on explosion. Yes, yes. Oh my God! 5 trigger bonus. Oh, yes! It went boom, 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 boom. Oh my God! Yes! Holy sh! Oh, yeah, I gotta do the mystery. Come on, mystery, do me right. Okay, 4, 5. Okay, better than 15. 15, good. Okay. We didn't go down, but we didn't improve. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Woo, shit. Dogs, dogs, dogs. There's another 72. Hell yes. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Don't stop.
No.
Don't stop till you get enough. Come on. Oh! Come on. Ah! Drums, come on. Oh, quit teasing me with the damn drums. Do it. Dogs. Come on. That pot's pretty full. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, come on. Oh.
No for the dead spins.
Yeah, no more dead spins. Let's make some money, honey. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, come on. Is that, yes. 3 more. Oh, come on, dogs. Come on, come on. Dang it, come on. Oh, come on. Yes! Another $72. Alright, last spin. Come on, oh! Still, that is not bad for a 5 trigger bonus. Boom, 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 boom. 5 trigger bonus. Nice. That's a hell of a pickup. What should I do? What should I do? 35. I need better than 15. Okay, that's good. Good start. Close it. Come on. Or re-trigger. Close it and re-trigger. Oh, give it the dogs. Yes. Dogs. Keep it going. Oh, where is that re-trigger? Oh, come on, come on. Ah, where was the other one? Oh, yes, 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 yes. Keep piling up the wins. Oh, ships. Oh, man. Give me the dog. Over 200, yes. Yes. Keep it coming. More drums. On the left side now. Left side drums. Oh, man. All right, last chance. Yes! Oh, yes! Yes! $52 trigger. Yes! Oh, do it again! Yes! Toot toot! Right trigger! Hell yes. Oh, man. Come on, do something for me. Shut that pot. It's looking a little full. Oh, dogs, dogs. Damn, that's $72 though. If I would have made that freaking fourth reel, man, that would have been epic. Close. Come on, come on. That's a hell of a freaking win. Yes, boom, boom. Da, da, da. Da, 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 da. I like this part. Da, da, da. All right, almost $400. Sweetness.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. We hope you enjoyed the video. And be sure to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below to let us know you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to ring that bell to not miss any upcoming videos from us. Have an awesome day. Be safe and be healthy. Bye, guys.